Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's Vechain update. Now Vechain continues to actually drop to the downside. I actually talked about this pattern before that Vechain actually made. So you did have this some sort of a rounded bottom here that actually broke out and got successful, and then it tries to go down again, and then in here you had that rounded bottom again without any success, and then you finally dropped to the downside. So what is going on for Vechain? What's going to happen next? The last time that I talked about it though is that on a weekly time frame you're putting in this huge evening star. Okay, so number one, Vechain is meant to follow Bitcoin. Okay, so it's gonna follow what Bitcoin does and the movement of Bitcoin, whatever Bitcoin does. So let's go in here to Google and write in evening star candlestick. So right now on the weekly time frame you're putting in this pattern right now. So let me show you that detail. So you can actually see in this image right now that you do have let me show you a different one. So this one looks better to me. Okay, so what you're putting in right there, ladies and gentlemen, is that one huge green candle after an uptrend, and then one doji in the middle and a red candle right there actually shows you, if I do zoom in, that's a very picture perfect clear evening star right there. Even you had an uptrend for several weeks. So that's pretty much it. If I do bring in the EMA, then you can see that you are being restricted. It is like a lightning actually struck Vechain when it was about to go back up home, and then the lightning came in and then the lightning struck Vechain, and now it's trying to take Vechain to the downside at the moment. So what I'm going to say is that when you do see an evening star here, you want to actually buy once again if it actually breaks 3240. So if it goes above 3240 and back tests and hold that level, then my friend, that technical target for a 40% move up is still going to be in play. But unfortunately, you are expecting to see Vechain dropping down in the next coming weeks as well, until we don't find another weekly candlestick reversal just the same way we find some of the reversals down here. Then I think Vechain is looking to drop big time. Now, if we talk about the fib retracements and how much you're going to drop, let's take the fib retracement. And I do see, number one, Vechain coming to this level, 2434, right? So a big reversal wave is going to be created if you start to close below 0.024. So if you close below this level, then you're looking for 0.01457 as your next technical target. And that's pretty much it for this Vechain update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.